another video. It's gonna be LPS's and dinosaurs. So first we got this box of dinosaur. Okay, so dinosaur. This is actually cool. You can press the button. It makes that noise. And if you press this tail, watch it. I'm pressing this tail, so. Oh, I also just used so that it can grow. Yeah, I already covered that. Okay, let's get started. So, yeah, give me that. So, you can see that the rope is like on like right there. And on his bum bum. It's not his bum bum, but on his leg or bum bum. And you can see that push the tail down, makes that noise. If you actually move the camera, look there, there's like this thing right here. So let's get that opening. I'm gonna carefully snip this tiny bum bum. Ugh, it's gonna take forever. So guys, I'll be right back after I snipped it. Okay guys, I got it out. It was maybe a minute. Put that box away. It's actually cute. But let me see if we can move it. Like, oh we can. But I'm not sure. Okay. So, oh yeah, we can. See? Okay, it hit me. So, this is where its battery is. Yeah, it can, and,
you don't need battery.
okay, and then, yeah you do. Okay, there. And then, this, you watch this action. If you can't hear the noise, okay? Oops! I pressed the button before. Isn't that cool? So let's see if we can stand. We'll be right back after we got him to stand. Guys, I can't get it to stand. Guys, you see that? Okay, I'm gonna get it. Tried it, okay? Guys, you know what makes them can't stand? Look at their feet. There's only two of them. I think this one can stand the best if you look really closely. From the other side, like here. Look at this feet. Set off the light. So, oh, brown light. This is your back. Okay. Back, and, okay, okay, sorry. Oh, good. It can stand. Oh. Just hitting. No, it's the hand. The butt. Okay, sorry. So what is wrong with this light? Okay. I'm gonna get a better light. Okay, guys, back with another light. So, I forgot how to make it stand. This light is really bad. I don't remember where's my seat. Okay, guys, I got it back to stand. Really? Okay. Really? Okay. See, it doesn't do anything wrong. See that? Look at this. I just found out. I bought this from Walmart, $15. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking the light. Sorry, guys, but oh, God, crap. Ow. Crud. Now it's hands. Get it back, stand. Guys, I keep trying. He keeps doing splits. I don't like that. See, he keeps doing splits. Yeah, I don't like that. I got it back to stand. I wanted to make you hear this. Sorry. You hear that? When, oh, darn it. His hands is messed up. He's perfect. Plus he has the JW. You cannot see it, but it's really there. If you can see, let me get the light really close so you see it. See JW. Okay. So
Stands for Jurassic.
yeah. Okay. So So this is gonna be okay. If you want to see the box, it's right there. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, we're gonna use it in videos. Get out. Okay. So we're gonna see it. We bought it in Walmart for the last. Okay. Second time. This is. We're gonna be using this in the videos. So I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.